the first decentralized digital currency, has experienced a remarkable journey since its inception in 2008. It has transformed from an obscure digital experiment to a global financial phenomenon worth trillions of dollars. In October 2008, an anonymous person or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto published a white paper that outlined the blueprint for Bitcoin. Bitcoin's early years were marked by slow adoption and experimentation. In January 2009, Satoshi Nakamoto mined the Genesis block, marking Bitcoin's official launch. The first real-world Bitcoin transaction occurred in May 2010 when Laszlo Hanyecz paid 10,000 Bitcoin for 2 pizzas, a purchase now valued at billions. In February 2011, Bitcoin reached parity with the US dollar for the first time. During this period, the first Bitcoin exchanges began to emerge, providing platforms for people to buy and sell the cryptocurrency. Bitcoin's price remained relatively low during these early years, but began to show signs of the volatility that would later characterize the market. Bitcoin's journey hasn't been without significant challenges and controversies. In 2014, Mt. Gox, which once handled 70% of all Bitcoin transactions, was hacked. The exchange lost 850,000 Bitcoin, valued at approximately $460 million at the time. In 2013, the FBI shut down the Silk Road, a dark web marketplace that used Bitcoin for anonymous transactions of illegal goods. The agency seized 144,000 Bitcoin in the raid. Bitcoin has experienced several distinct market cycles, often influenced by halving events that reduce the rate of new Bitcoin creation. Bitcoin undergoes a halving approximately every 4 years, reducing the reward for mining new blocks by 50%. These events have historically preceded bull markets. Bitcoin's first major bull market in 2013 saw prices reach $1,100. The 2017 bull run pushed Bitcoin to approximately $20,000 before a significant correction. In 2021, Bitcoin reached a then all-time high of nearly $69,000. And now in 2025, Bitcoin is trading near $95,000 after reaching a record high of $109,000 in January. Let's examine Bitcoin's current state as of May 2025. Bitcoin is currently trading near $95,000 after reaching a new all-time high of $109,000 in January 2025. The overall cryptocurrency market has grown to a $2.6 trillion market capitalization. Spot Bitcoin ETFs, approved in early 2024, have been a major factor driving institutional demand and price growth. This chart shows the growth of Bitcoin's market capitalization in relation to other cryptocurrencies, illustrating its continued dominance in the crypto ecosystem. As we've seen, Bitcoin has undergone a remarkable journey from an obscure digital experiment to a global financial asset. Next, we'll explore what the future might hold for Bitcoin. Bitcoin's future is shaped by significant trends, expert predictions, and an evolving long-term outlook as the cryptocurrency continues its journey in the financial landscape. A key driver of Bitcoin's future is the increasing institutional adoption, particularly through the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs in early 2024. These ETFs have generated unprecedented demand with significant inflows, becoming a major catalyst for the current bull market momentum. Bitcoin's halving events, which reduce the rate of new coin creation, have historically triggered bull markets due to increased scarcity. This pattern has been consistent across previous halving cycles, and many analysts believe the current cycle following the 2024 halving will continue through 2025. Expert analysts have made a range of price predictions for Bitcoin's future. By the end of 2025, many predict prices between $120,000 and $200,000. Standard Chartered Bank forecasts $200,000, while Unchained Capital projects $250,000. Looking further ahead, multiple analysts suggest Bitcoin could reach $1 million by 2030. An emerging trend is the convergence of artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency. AI tokens are gaining significant value in the market. Meanwhile, AI technologies are being deployed for advanced crypto trading strategies. The evolution toward Blockchain 3.0 is focusing on incorporating super smart AI contracts, creating a synergy between these revolutionary technologies. Despite short-term volatility, Bitcoin has proven to be an exceptional long-term investment. When compared to traditional assets like gold and the S&P 500, Bitcoin has significantly outperformed over various timeframes. This historical performance has strengthened Bitcoin's position as a potential mainstream store of value. While Bitcoin shows strong potential, investors must be aware of significant risks. Market risks include extreme price volatility, manipulation concerns, and correlation with traditional markets during crisis periods. External factors like regulatory uncertainty, macroeconomic influences, and potential technological vulnerabilities add additional complexity to Bitcoin's future. Despite these challenges, Bitcoin's unique properties as a digital asset with fixed supply continue to attract long-term investors. In conclusion, Bitcoin's future appears promising despite various challenges. Institutional adoption through ETFs is fundamentally reshaping the market. Bitcoin halvings have historically triggered significant price increases. Expert predictions suggest prices between $120,000 and $250,000 by the end of 2025. The convergence of AI and blockchain technologies offers exciting new opportunities. And while short-term volatility remains a factor, Bitcoin's long-term value proposition continues to strengthen as it moves toward becoming a mainstream store of value.